Just a quick update on this switch that I did about 3 weeks ago here at Broad Run on Bushead Road. Still haven't installed it yet, as you can see, but we'll keep you updated.
Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you can see behind me, there's still some snow, but look at these beautiful blue skies, 48 degrees. Well, we're going to try something for the first time. I follow a local guy here, Railfan Rowan. He's got a lot of great videos. You might want to check him out. But he did one on tips on chasing a train. So I'm going to take some of his advice as best I can and not make too many mistakes. But we're going to attempt to chase a train here. And usually I would just stay here and videotape trains all day. But this should be kind of interesting for me. Hopefully I get a long, slow intermodal train, which should be here in about half an hour, instead of a fairly short, fast one, because then I'll never get ahead of it. Especially being here in Northern Virginia, there is always a lot of traffic and lights. The first part shouldn't be too bad, but once I get down Route 55, which I'm going to be heading towards Front Royal, I won't get behind too many slow cars. I've got a few areas that hopefully I can get to. There's a whole bunch along the way, but I've got about 4 in mind that I think I can get to before the train, so should be fun with that. The time I get to Front Royal, it'll probably be a little cooler than this, cloudy, and about 40 degrees, so here we go. First tip is be on the right side of the railroad track so you can make your clean getaway. So here I'm on the right side, but as you see the cars, I'm going to be going from right to left, because even if it's a long train, I can still make it a clean getaway to the next side.
Well, this is a good way to start the chase with a crew change. Okay, and the chase is on. Well, Lady Luck is not on my side. This is a fast-moving train, and I've missed all the spots that I've been looking for, so we'll keep trying, though. Well, I missed it again. We're gonna keep trying to catch the front. Well, I might get lucky this time if I can find a spot. There's no traffic in front of me right now. You can see the train over there. Oh, I finally caught it. This guy is fast. Getting closer to Front Row, they had a little more snow out here. I'm in Del Plain, Virginia now. I'm ahead of the train. Not doing too bad, I guess, for a first time. The weather has gotten really bad now. It was nice and sunny and clear, but now cloudy and cool and 44 degrees. Okay, let's keep this going. Starting to get close to the front royal. Hopefully we can get in front of it again. There comes our train. Well, that's going to do it. I hope you guys liked the chase. I enjoyed it. It was kind of fun, something new to do. And I think that's going to do it for today. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.